Big day for airline earnings, including from American Airlines, which reported a beat on the top and the bottom line. Let's bring in Robert Isom, CEO of American Airlines, joining us from the company's headquarters in Fort Worth, Texas. Robert, I'm looking at your results in the fourth quarter and your guidance for the first quarter. What stands out to you in terms of the return of not only corporate travel, but the demand that seems to be out there consistently as you look into this year?
Hey, good morning, Phil. Look, we're really pleased with the results. We closed out the year strong. And, I've been telling you for a while that at American, we're focused on reliability, profitability, and really strengthening our balance sheet. We've done all of those, and I've just got to give a big shout out to our team. But look, as we go into the first quarter, we see demand strong. I think that we're going to have a really busy first and second quarter. And look, I think the time to buy is right now for travel. It's going to be a busy year.
We've talked about leisure at great length. Is corporate travel, in your opinion, is it back to where it was in 2019?
No, it's not quite yet. But I think that represents upside, especially as people return to the office. So, we're about at 90%. But don't forget, travel patterns have changed, too. We've talked a lot about business and leisure combining. So as we take a look out in the future, we think that that's going to be something beneficial as people return to the office and as the economy gets stronger. And also, it's just, look, people want to travel. There's a tremendous demand for it. So I see strength in corporate.
Robert, I want to ask you about Boeing. You saw the news that the FAA is going to be halting any expansion of MAX production, which clearly will have an implication in terms of delivery schedules. You've got, 81 MAX 8s on order. You already have 59 MAXs. Will you have to adjust your schedule in terms of when you expect to receive those MAX airplanes?
So first off, look, we have 20 MAX 8s that are planned for delivery this year. And on that front, they're already in production, so I don't think that we'll be impacted by this. But look, in regard to Boeing, we need them to produce a quality product every time. We need them to hold true to their delivery expectations, and we need everybody at Boeing getting their act together.
Does this make you think twice about the business you do with them?
Look, Boeing has been a partner for a long time. We have a lot of Boeing aircraft. We fly them reliably every single day. I have great confidence in the product as we go forward. But look, we don't need the distraction. It has to be quality all the time. American, over the last, since the merger, we've taken more new aircraft than any airline really in history. We have a great team of 15,000 pilots, 12,000 mechanics, and we do our inspections of those aircraft as well every time that we take one. I have great confidence in the product that we put in the skies. But look, when it comes to Boeing, they've got to get their act together. They have to produce a quality product. It's just essential.
I don't mean to belabor this, but I know you do your own inspections when you receive the aircraft, but are you guys doubling down your due diligence? Is there anything that you're changing now where you say, look, we've always looked at these planes and make sure they're as safe as possible. Maybe we need to go even further?
Of course, we're always taking a look. We have a safety management system that we've worked on with the FAA. And in that, we try to identify anything that may be an issue or a cause for further investigation. And that even holds true when it comes to taking aircraft deliveries. So we will be working very closely, not only with Boeing, but with Airbus. We need all of our partners, the OEMs of engines and airframes and all components, to do their job. And that's producing a quality product. It's not acceptable. We have 120,000 team members that are doing a fantastic job of running the most reliable airline in the business over the last 18 months, and we don't need the distraction.
Robert, we've got to wrap this after what's a very busy day for us. One word answer from you. How busy will transatlantic travel be this summer?
It's going to be a busy summer, busier than last year, and we're set and primed, ready to go. We've got a great London franchise and partnership network. Come fly American.